OpenClaw is everywhere. There is definitely a hype, but I believe there is a utility too. The reason I think this is getting so much traction is because it lets you bridge a gap between your AI and your messaging apps. Plus, you can integrate a lot of external tools with lot of ease. I already have covered as how to get this integrated with Olama based local models. In this video, I am going to show you in the same step-by-step way as how to get it integrated with your LM Studio. So let's get started. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates without any hype. And also the whole configuration which I'm going to use, I'm also going to put the link to it in first pinned comment. So first step, let's get our LM Studio ready. Just go to lmstudio.ai or their GitHub repo and download the LM Studio for your operating system. I am running this Ubuntu system. Let me also show you. So this is my Ubuntu system and I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM because I'm going to get a slightly larger model. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in videos description with a 50% discount coupon so that you can also play along if you are following this video. So for Ubuntu or any flavor of Linux, just download this, or for Windows and Mac, you can download it accordingly. I already have downloaded it and then you just have to run that exe. So this is the first step which you need to do. This is where my LM Studio is running. Now you can see that I already have this GLM 4.7 flash model running locally. If you don't have that or you want to use any other model, just search it and then load it. Now there is one very critical step which you need to do here, otherwise this won't work. That critical step is that just go to where your models are. This is my model. In my models tab, click on load on the right hand side. Make sure the context length is set to 32768 or higher. I have just set it to this. Anything lower than this is not going to work. Once that's done, just click on load model and then just click again on load model. It is going to load the model on your local system, on your GPU or wherever you want it to be running. So now it is running there. For this one, my VRAM consumption is slightly around, I would say 14 to 16 gig, but depends on the model you are using. Next step which you need to do is to just click on developer mode. In the developer mode, you see that server is stopped. Click on server settings. This is a port which you need to take note of. I am just going to use a default port which is 1234. So the server is stopped at the moment. I just stopped it. I'm just going to clear the logs. Now it is loaded 2 times, so because I don't just showed it to you twice, I'm just going to eject one of them. Let's run one, and it is running at the moment. I'm just going to toggle this server status on, and now the server is running and the model is being served through LM Studio. So this is all you need to do in LM Studio. Everything is running. I'm just going to leave it here. Now we need to install our OpenClaw. So for that, I'm just going to, and by the way, you see it is right now using this much VRAM. Let's check it again. So around over 23 gig of VRAM it is using, because I am offloading all the layers to GPU. You can also reduce it if you like. Okay, so I'm just going to, clear the screen to show you how you can install that OpenClaw. For this, first prerequisite you need to have is this node install, node and npm, because it's a node based package. So this is the command you need to run. I already have it installed, so let me quickly show you my node version, and this is my npm version. And by the way, if you still don't know how to do it, just go to my channel. You see, this is where I just did video 4 hours ago as how to get it integrated with Olama. This is where I actually have shown how to install this node and npm, if you're wondering, and it also has got configuration file with it for free if you want it. And if it is helping you, please consider becoming a member of the channel, or if you are feeling generous, you can buy me a coffee from the homepage of channel. If you like, don't feel compelled. Okay, so that is all good. Now let's Okay, I'll just go back here. So now we have both the prerequisites done. Next step is to have OpenClaw installed, and this is a command you need to run. I'll just run it again. I already have it installed, but even if you are looking to upgrade it, you can just run it to install it globally. And I'm still, struggling to say it OpenClaw because they have changed the name of the tool from CloudBot to MaltBot and now OpenClaw. Hopefully they are going to stick with it. And OpenClaw is installed, and you can see that this is a version I'm running with 29th of the 1st. Next step is to start the onboarding stuff, and we are also going to install this daemon, and I will also describe what exactly we are doing here. Now, one important thing here is that it also, when we install the daemon, this is just a background process. And this onboarding process, where it is asking me first to, understand what we are doing, this onboarding process is going to set up something called as a gateway behind the scene. And then you can select quick start. I'll just press enter here. I'm just going to, you see that it already has selected this LM Studio one because I already tested it out, but I'm going to just reset it here. And it says, I'll just say, just reset everything. I want to reset it. Model authorizer, it is asking me which model. I'll just say skip for now because I'll select my own model from LM Studio. I want to go with all providers. Okay, and default mode is current. That's good. And I'm not going to integrate Telegram. I already have shown you how to get integrated Telegram, by the way, in the previous video, the Olama one which I showed. So I'm not going to do it again. You can check out that video. So let's skip for now because I just want to integrate LM Studio with it. Okay, so skills I'm not going to configure. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to do a new video on skills. I also don't want to do the hooks, and we will do it in another video. So I just press tab to select it, press enter, and then now you see this is what I was about to tell you, that it is when we do this onboarding, it sets up something called as gateway. The gateway is OpenClaw's central control plane. It's a WebSocket server that manages all your AI interactions. You can just take it as a brain of the operation. It handles incoming messages from various channels, routes them to the appropriate AI model, manages conversation sessions, execute tools, and sends responses back. It's running continuously in the background as a loop, as a system D service or daemon. And the daemon starts automatically when your system boots and keeps running. So whenever we change the service or do anything, it just restarts it. You can also restart it manually, and I will show you later. Okay, I'm just going to do this later. I don't want to hatch anything. So this is all there is to it in terms of installation. Now what we need to do here is to make sure that our openclaw.json config file looks like this. These are the uh, configurations that you need to make sure are there, and I will drop the link to this configuration file in the first pinned comment, and you can just use it if you like. All you need to do is to make sure that your base URL is like this. You just give API key and any values of your choice. Make sure your model is this. This is ID in your LM Studio. The rest of it just keep as is, the context window and all that. And as I said, you will find the actual file in the link of it in first pinned comment. Again, if you think this helps you, at least you can subscribe and become to the channel and become a member, or you could just do this coffee link, but up to you. Okay, so this is good. Let me go back, and once you have made the change, this is how you restart the gateway. I have restarted it, everything looks good. And if you want to check the status, simply run the status command. It is going to show you which model is running where. So this is our model. As you can see, I'll just go up, and you can ignore these warnings, and these are some of the stuff which it is showing you. Also, you see that this gives you a web interface, which you can also use if you like, but you can ignore the warnings. But as I said earlier, most of the stuff, I believe, if you're following along, I think this really works well in this CLI. Really shines through. And now let's test the model with this OpenClaw. So I'm just going to run this prompt, and by the way, I'll just make it shorter. So because also want to show you the logs of LM Studio behind the scene, the server. So I'll just run this, and it takes a bit of a time, by the way, because I think it goes through a lot of stuff. So there you go. You see, it has made the API calls. It is waiting for the reply, and there you go. The prompt has been processed, and it has returned me the answer to the prompt that what life is and how complex and all that stuff. So this is how you integrate OpenClaw with LM Studio, and easy. But still, one thing I would really like to say about is security and safety. OpenClaw agents can execute commands, they can read files and access your system. By default, the main session runs with full host access. If you are connecting external channels or untrusted users, consider enabling Docker sandboxing for non-main sessions to limit what the AI can do, or just take all the safety measures. The upside is everything runs locally, as you can see here. Your conversations, your data, your infra. You don't have to pay any API costs. That's it. Let me know how you exactly are using. Again, please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member of the channel. Please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.